3 habits that bring bad luck in love. It's not that men do not look at you. It is not that Cupid forgot you and there is no person in this world with whom he can shoot you. If most of your love relationships have failed, if you feel that the men you like are away from you and it is hard for you to find someone to fall in love with, is not then that the problem is in you? I go ahead to say yes. There are 3 great fears that, if you do not control them, can turn against you on the love plane, because they influence your bond with men and the development of a possible relationship. 1. Fear of staying alone forever. When your relationships have failed or women just suffered a love breakup, it is normal to feel that uncontrollable fear of not finding the right man, of not falling in love again, of no one is like him. And the biggest fear behind this is the fear of being left alone. Did you know that men can perceive when women are afraid to be alone? They sense it in how unconsciously you behave towards them. Usually, with this fear in mind, a woman tends to want everything fast when she first meets a man, and that is what ends up scaring him. The fear of staying alone is the one that may be driving away that man you so much expect. So relax. 2. Fear of losing. When you are afraid of losing a man, your behavior proves it. You call him all the time with any excuse, and no matter if you spoke 5 minutes ago, you want to know everything he does, you want to be by his side as much as possible, you feel more jealous and possessive. It is clear that all this scares anyone, much more if it is a man with whom you are just starting. The fear of losing many times already condemns us to lose. Remember that phrase. 3. Fear of bad experiences being repeated. After a love disappointment, we swear that we will never fall in love again. Who has not felt this way? And when finally a new man appears that interests you, it would seem that you cannot move forward due to the panic of suffering again for love. In those cases, it is best to wait a while to avoid looking at the present with the fear that the past left us. Have you felt identified with any of these situations? It is normal to feel these fears. In any case, and if you think about them correctly, none of them is justified on a logical basis. That the past has been bad, or the present is not as you would like it, it is not a guarantee that the future will be so. And as a saying goes, you have to try all the keys and not getting frustrated, because maybe it's the last one that finally opens the door. To learn more women dating tips, download my books free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel, share this video and visit my online store. All I need is love.